There we go. Got some lifeboats and our snorkels. Wow. Yeah. Okay, is this guy gonna go in for power dive? Yes. Gotcha. Wow. Oh. Power dive. Here he goes. Yes. Wow. Oh, Iggy. Yeah. Woo. These things are like spiders. There he goes. Coming. Don't come for me. Come on. Way easier with goggles. Come on in. Go for a dive. Oh, here he goes. Oh, the chase is on. Fighter jets. Come on, guys. Oh, we got those. Yes. Oh, yeah. Huh? Bellissimo. I get that? Yep. Wow. Wow, that's a good footage. Okay, let's see. Look at it go, huh? This is a great workout here. Oh, we got two more. Incoming. Come on, guys. Oh, they're circling around. Okay, we got three. The three amigos. Albertos. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Wow. Okay. So this is the tough part, getting out. I didn't even get killed. That was wild. The red flag. GoPro, stop recording.